Hi, I'm Richie from Buddies Cymru. I'm really excited to announce we're at this year's Welsh Music Prize, which is part of this year's Llais Festival. We'll have a stall at the event. Come and say hi and be a volunteer for Gig Buddies. And here's my tips of what to see at this year's Llais Festival. The Welsh Music Prize is the 10th of October at the Donald Gordon Theatre. The Welsh Music Prize was started in 2011 by Hugh Stevens. It's a celebration of the best Welsh music from the past year. Some of the nominated artists will be playing on the night. Back for Lashes, 11th of October at the Donald Gordon Theatre. Discover the spellbinding artistry of Lashes. The Big Moon, 12th of October at the Western Studio. The Big Moon are an alternative pop band from London. Battle Scar. Punk was invented by elves. Every day until the 5th of November. This is about a virtual reality set in the 1970s in New York. Llais and BBC Horizon, 13th of October, Western Studio. A spectacular lineup of hip-hop and soul with Lemfrack, Nucky and Slaws. Lock off the 13th to the 14th at Woolston Studio. Get ready for Lock Off. 2 nights of amazing music created by young people for young people. Gwenno, 15th of October at the Donald Gordon Theatre. Gwenno is a unique Welsh artist who's been nominated for the Mercury Prize. This is Gwenno's only date in Wales this year. Thank you. I've been Richie from Buddies Cymru. Have a great festival.